cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best to choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares? You're with me.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Live shows and spoken reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea, and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say, yeah. Colorblind. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're calling, falling out of line. They don't know the two. So easy. We could be the enemy and show them how it's done. Yeah, we could brand a new identity and take apart the songs making. Black and white scale, singing since the sellers believe and burn all the time. We'll take them out, out. We'll make them up for it and show. Keep nothing else, I'll take the wheel. How we feel, we were made for this. Keep your mountains too. All my life, and they kept painting rainbows. I'm colorblind, it's black and white. It seems it will remain. And you've been colorblind for all your life. Scared to even say so. We're colorblind, it's black and white. It seems to will remain so. Colorblind, yeah.